Hi all, BOM important questions. So it's a part A and part B. Part A consists of 5 into 420 marks, and any 5 questions you need to be right. And for each question you need to at least one paper, 1.5 paper is necessary. And for the part B, minimum 3 pages is necessary to write. And part B, you're having an internal choice like A or B. So you can, as I mentioned that from each unit one question will be coming. So this is the paper structure, and the passing marks for is 32 marks for 80 marks paper. So it is a 80 marks paper, right? So you need to minimum 32 marks is necessary. And coming about the syllabus, so guys, this is the syllabus. First one is introduction of form business organization, second is unit joint stock, and third is introduction of function management, and fourth one is of planning and organization, fifth one is authority and co point control. So this is the important long questions. First of all, I have given 5 questions in that for the long questions, so prepare these questions perfectly, so you can definitely score a good marks in that. So first of all, define business and explain its characters of a business. So it is very important questions. If you do the MBA also, it is very much important questions in a business. So you'll definitely get this question in your question paper. And explain the sole trader merits and limitations, and difference between the sole trader and partnership. So these are the from first unit. And these are important questions for short answers. So if you study the first long answers, so short answers are very easy to study. And remaining, and I'm already saying that for the long unit, for the long answers minimum 3 pages, and short answers 1.5 page should be must be written in your answer sheet for the passing marks. So this is the single unit long answers. Explain the joint stack company, and discuss difference between the partnership and joint stack company, and explain the merits and limitations of joint stack company. And these are the short answers. Statement of LIU and promoter and its type, and characters of the joint stack. So in these three, 2 questions will be coming. So any 2 questions will be compulsory in your answers in our question paper. So if you study well for the long answers, short answers also very easy. So this is the about of the second unit. And from coming about the third unit, explained of Fenry 14 principle is a very important questions. And without these question, with these question and levels of management, so these 2 questions are very important. So please do read it. And it is very important as compared to the management subject, right? So it is very important. And functions of management, explain how many types of functions are there. So this is the concept which is used in the business management. So this is the long and short answers also, what is meant by management's levels of management and skills of management. And the fourth unit, you will find maximum differences, like difference between the line and staff organization, difference between the formal and informal organization. So mainly prepare these 2 units, these 2 questions, and it will be definitely you will get it from anyone. And the short answers also. So this is the unit 5 important questions. So you can learn it. And what is centralization, explain the merits and demerits, explain the various types of effects of delegation, and what is the delegation types. So this is the, so I'll upload all the important questions of first semester, damn sure important questions. So please do wait for some time. And please subscribe to our channel for more updates of JNDS. Thank you.